Hello guys, this is Luke Storm, YouTube channel called Luke Storm. I'm going to be doing one out in the rain. I live in PA, Meadville, and hope you guys like this video. It's just a random video of me outside in the rain, being silly. Okay, start. Rain! Woo! Yeah! No! Unicorns! Unicorns! Woo! It's raining! Rain harder! Okay, I'm gonna do this again. I didn't go even high. I didn't go high. Darn it. This is my Adventure Time zone. Where did my ball go? Huh. Okay, guys, I gotta go find my ball. Alright. Where is my ball? Oh, there it is! Woo! Yeah! It's raining! It's raining! It's pouring! I'm joking. This is adventure in the rain! Got my bone, got my sword. Huh. No one takes me down. I just smack I'll use my sword and throw the ball in the air. Bam! Joking, I'm joking, guys. It's raining. I hope you guys are having a good day today. Hope God's blessing you. God always wants to bless you. Thank you guys for giving me the views. And raining. I'm in my bare feet right now. No one's at my house right now. Not my brother, not my mom. So I'm all home alone. I hope you guys can comment on this video, but I'm not done with this video yet. I don't know, this is just a random funny video. Hope you like it. Alright. How am I gonna do this? It's raining, it's pouring! Screaming out! Alright. How am I gonna do this? Ag! I don't know if I can do this. I'm trying to throw the ball up in the air and then smack it with my sword. Trying to do that, I don't know. I'm trying. Let's see here. Darn it, I missed. I need some help. I wish I had a cameraman here. Huh. It's raining, it's pouring. We're screaming out it. We're screaming out. It's raining, it's pouring. I'm joking. Okay. I'm going to throw it up in the air, and then I'm going to get my sword out very quickly and smack it. See if that works. Alright. Puddle! Whee! I'm joking. Alright. Let's do this. Yeah! Did it! Woo! Did you miss that? Ah! I didn't get it on camera. Okay, retry. I actually did it. Alright, let's do it again. It's raining, it's pouring. We're all screaming out. Alright, let's do this again. First, I need to put the sword in this side. Alright. See this? Ah, darn it. Gotta be quicker. Ah, I smacked it. Oh, snap! Ow, 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 ow. There goes my ball. It's raining, guys. Woo! It is raining. It is raining. Well, I'll check you guys later. Hope you like this video. I can make this video longer if I wanted to. I don't know. I might make a part 2 of this video. I don't know. I don't know. Hope you like this video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.